This is the Four Candies 39-piece stationery set, and the pastel highlighters are definitely one of my middle school daughter's favorite parts. She wanted something that coordinated with her pastel theme. The colors are soft and aesthetic, but still easy to read. The case itself is expandable, so you can actually fit even more in here than what already comes with the set. When you open it, the left zippered mesh pocket holds the extra mechanical pencil lead. It comes in 3 sizes, 0.5, 0.7, and 0.9 millimeters. The pencil refills are easy to load. You just slide open the top of the case and pour them in. Next are these really cute 3 dual-colored jelly erasers. They're soft, erase cleanly, and don't leave that smudgy residue behind. The gel pens are an ombre pastel and write super smooth with no skipping. They also have this soft, balanced feel in your hand that makes them comfortable to use. In the back open pocket, you'll find the 6 mechanical pencils. They're comfortable to write with and have this really satisfying smooth feel to them. And then you've got your 12 pastel highlighters. The colors are gorgeous, easy to read, and perfect for color coding or just making their notes look a little more fun. You get 6 gel pen ink refills and extra pencil erasers. If you want a complete, organized, and aesthetic set of school supplies, this one's a great choice.